Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, as we all know, Samsung has confirmed its event date for Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Samsung is going to launch its series on 14th of Jan 2021. I will surely cover this event. Uh, I have made a number of videos on Samsung Galaxy S21 series. In this video, I will talk about a new leak of S Pen. Viewers, before this, if you talk about the S Pen, it was came into mind only the Note series. But this perspective has been changed now. Samsung is offering S Pen for Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to support S Pen, but this S Pen will not be available in the box, but it will be supported and it's an optional. You have to purchase it except the phone if you want to use S Pen. There is no dedicated slot in S21 Ultra. The reason, because it's not, they are not offering in the box. That's why they did not have for the dedicated slot for its S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. But they are offering, Samsung is offering a case for Samsung Galaxy. I will show you a picture as well. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra where a dedicated slot in the case for the S Pen. If you talk about the use, you can you can scroll your if you're using Facebook or whatever you're using, you can scroll it. You can use S Pen as a remote shutter for taking photos. You can use S Pen to start or stop the video. If you talk about the price, although there is no confirmations yet and there is no official price set by Samsung yet, but it is expected the price for S Pen case going to be the, if you talk about in the Europe, it's going to around 40 euro. So, but still, it's not confirmed. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.